You know, when you first get married and have the conversation with your mate,
mad that he won the
what happens when one of us goes is the other open to getting remarried. And we did have that conversation. This is Bobby. We married in 1970.
And it will
and
fail.
What she said was, I really
the
hope
impeachment
I go
charges
first.
are filed in the House,
because I don't
the
want
Senate has
to have
try
to
and convict,
face life as a single person.
It's not going to happen.
She was diagnosed in February of 2012 with stage 4 ovarian cancer. And so we faced the reality of that happening, although she fought like crazy.
They're dividing our country.
But then as we get closer and realized that all this chemo and so forth, barbaric as it is, Bobby was not.
It's Pelosi, Schmuck Schumer.
And so she took two friends aside, two separate friends. One that didn't know the Lord at all, so when Bobby said, I want Robert to marry Nancy DeMoss, she had no idea who that was. And then the other person, interestingly enough, is David Ann's daughter-in-law.
His real name is Chuck.
She and Bobby were very close. And
his real name is
Bobby
Chuck
told
Schumer. I call him Schmuck Schumer.
Kendall, I want Robert to marry Nancy DeMoss. So it's interesting because a couple months after Nancy and I were dating, Austin, David Ann's son, came to the office. We worked together. And he said, have you talked to Kendall? And I said, like, about what? And I was getting ready to get on an airplane. He said, I think you need to get a hold of her. So I texted from the sky. I texted Kendall. And I said, do you have something to tell me? And she said, yes, I do. And she told me that Bobby had told her that she wants Robert to marry Nancy Lee DeMoss.
Which Bobby had never told you.
Bobby had never told me.
I want to go back, though, to the time when you realized, Robert,
they're not the Democratic
I'm going to be a widower.
Country.
My wife's not going to make it unless God does something amazing.
And actually, they've always been racist.
Trust God in that moment that the story he was writing for you was a good story, because that does not seem like a good story when you're in a doctor's office and he says she's not responding to this cancer treatment.
You're absolutely right. When you have children, you don't do that alone either. I mean, they are very much a part of this unfolding.
Well,
so
the Democrats in particular.
I hadn't planned on being a widower. And my daughters hadn't planned on not having a mom.
There's no
they were very, very close to Bobby. So we went through it together.
But what party is actually
the great joy is telling this story.
The Republicans, not the Democrats.
And Nancy and I have told this story since soon after we got married. And it's been such a great entree to the gospel.
I mean, it's wrong.
Because the gospel story is God surprising us with grace we couldn't imagine. That's simply what this story is.
Did you or your daughters, in the midst of the diagnoses and all that was going on with Bobby, did you ever have a crisis of faith and wonder about the goodness of God in the midst of the adversity?
Well, I would say no.
And it's also
Let me just say I don't remember having that. Why? Because of Bobby's attitude.
Exercising tyrannical
I took her attitude about this.
And we're not doing
moments after we got the news that she was stage 4 ovarian, we got one of my daughters on the phone. The other one was sitting there with me. And this just came to me, but this was straight from Bobby's faith. I said, we're not angry. We're not afraid. We're going to receive this as a gift. And what we really want most is that the Lord be glorified in this.
The unborn are denied their rights.
Oh, yeah. Yep,
and we're not a democracy anymore.
Nope.
I mean, we're not even an equal representative government. When millions of unborn babies have been murdered.
Yep, that's true.
Where do they get their constitutional rights? Anyway.
Yep.
Yeah.
So.
Anyway, we're solving the world's problems tonight.
We can't.
I know. So. But it's good to talk about. It's good to hear your opinions too.
Yep.
I've always encouraged you to talk about that.
Oh yeah.
Do you remember our conversations we used to have when you were younger?
Yep.
Okay, now I have to get out and get get the door open here.
That's if Christine wants to let you out.
I know.